Hello children, so let's open our English book to page number 4141, position words. Today we are going to learn position on, in, near. So before we begin, we will write today's date 30.9.20 and C.W. Now on, if you look at the picture over here carefully, the cat is on the box. Okay, he is sitting on the box. Here the cat is sitting in the box, and here the cat is near to the box. The cat is near to the box. So here we have to circle to tell the position of this animal, whether he is in the shoe, on the shoe, or near to the shoe. So if you look at this first picture, the rat is near to the shoe. So we will circle near. Okay. Here the rat is on the shoe. Okay. So we will circle on. And here the rat is in the shoe. So we will circle in. Similarly, here you will have to also carefully look at the position of the animal, whether he is in, on, or near to the particular object. So you would be doing these two. After doing this, page number 41, we will do page number 4 to 42. Here again the concept of on is given. We all know when any animal, person, or any object is on a particular object, then we say it to be as on. Here the new one is under. Under means below any object. Okay, so here we have to circle to tell the where is the animal in each picture. Now here in each picture on, under is being given, but you have to look where is the animal here. Now this is a bee, so where is he? Is he on the flower or under the flower? He is on the flower, so we will circle on. Here the caterpillar is on the mushroom or under the mushroom? Right, he is under the mushroom, so we will circle under. Similarly, here the third one, the caterpillar is on the leaf or under the leaf? Yes, he is on the leaf, so we will circle on. Now children, you will do the rest these ones and then complete it and send it to your class teachers. Thank you.